Ad creative testing versus social media advertising tools. Which one is better for paid performance? Running paid campaigns without testing your ad creatives is like driving blind. But should you rely on ad creative testing platforms or social media advertising tools to improve performance? Most marketers get this wrong, and here's why. Ad creative testing platforms focus on experimentation. They allow you to test headline, visuals, copy, and calls to action in a controlled environment before launching at scale. For instance, a retailer can test 3 different product images and 5 headlines to see which combination drives the highest click-through rates. This reduces wasted spend and ensures your campaign starts strong. Social media advertising tools, in contrast, handle campaign execution, targeting, and optimization on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. They provide audience segmentation, bidding strategies, and real-time performance tracking. A marketer can launch a campaign to multiple demographics, adjust bids based on performance, and scale top-performing ads automatically. The surprising truth: ad creative testing improves quality before you spend, while social media advertising tools optimize performance while you spend. One is preemptive, the other is reactive and scalable. So which is better for paid performance? If your main goal is to maximize ROI and avoid wasting ad spend on ineffective creative, ad creative testing is critical. If your goal is to manage, optimize, and scale campaigns efficiently across channels, social media advertising tools are indispensable. The best approach combines both. Test and refine your creatives first, then launch them through social media advertising platforms with optimized targeting and automation. This ensures every dollar spent is driving results, creating a systematic path to high-performing campaigns.